I've just arrived in Spain and already things aren't going to plan. Sad.
Why is there no water?
I haven't got any data. On top of all this, my volunteering host has pushed my start date back by 3 days. That's okay, because I came on this trip to show people how they can travel with very little money with confidence. So now I have to stretch this budget across 3 whole days of unplanned travel, which would be hard if you looked at it as a problem. I see it as an opportunity to explore the best parts of northern Spain on next to no money. So here we fucking go. Welcome to Bike Louder Than Budget. Episode 3. No bed, no plan, Spain, day 1.
Gracias. Ah, gracias.
Anything to declare in the custom?
No.
My friends I met on the ferry getting searched on the way in. Let's wait and see what they have to say.
Did they catch you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, please. Find somewhere to put them. Oh, if you don't want them, I'll have them. Look, I've got lunch now. Oh my god. Oh, Christ alive, guys. Yes. I look forward to it. Yeah, it'll be interesting. I will. Enjoy your drive. Bye. Love you guys. What lovely people. Brought me breakfast and then stopped to give me fruits. Like, how nice. I'm trying to get my fucking phone to work so I can check if I can fly here or not with my drone. Right, I'm gonna go to this restaurant. It's only around the corner. See if I can get some internet there and see what's what. It's not connecting. Okay, let's just fucking set up to fly.
I think I really need to just get a SIM. I've not paid my phone bill. So, I haven't got any data, which is beginning to become annoying if internet just doesn't keep working here. We'll worry about that later. Now, let's see if I can get my drone up.
Nah, go on. Yeah. Money walk back. Shemi duck back. Some say I go back for ladder. Body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shemi duck back. Some say I go back for ladder. Body there for backyard. Setting your mood over. Yeah. What's in my bed to your mood over? See me rolling on a mood over. Setting your mood over.
That was a huge amount of guesswork, but we made it. Just to find some fucking internet and charge my batteries and we can go exploring. Oh, and make a plan. Make a plan is important. If we made a plan, yeah, let's just make a plan. Gracias. Internet found, plan made, battery charged. I'm gonna go into town, look for this adapter for this camera, get some food for lunch and dinner. We're gonna head down south just a bit to see some things and then come back up, and I found a cheap hostel in Santander. So that's the plan, let's go get it. Okay, I've given up on trying to get food because I've got loads of fruit. Like, this is literally bursting with fruit, and I can do like, I'll just have 2 protein smoothies. Hola. No GoPro stuff, on to the next place. But first, smoothie time. Fuck a duck, that was a mission parking that. There's lots of bike parking here. There's just lots of bikes. I don't really want to park it on the pavement. I feel like a bit of a dickhead doing that. They don't have it. They don't have the part. It's basically what I'm looking for is a bit that goes between here and extends it up. But no. Damn, the stuff in here is expensive as well. Well, let's save me money. Let's get on the road, head to these things I want to see. It's only a 45-minute ride to my first stop. It would have been faster, but all these single lanes with no overtaking. That's fine, I'm taking in the views. What a beautiful day this is. The sneaky police hiding in the shade. Luckily I spotted them early. This is the first time my bike's done that. Literally day one on the road. Fuck. It seems to happen when I change from second to third. Watching cars go by. And no one's really even looking at this. No one's looking at this view. Like, I think it's just, maybe they're just locals, or maybe the rest of Spain looks like this. Because there is some nice looking parts of Spain, definitely. From what I've seen from just looking on Google Maps and finding spots. Right, onto the salt flats, or salt fields. It'll go here, there we go. See, normally I would just be bombing it. There's just so much to take in, and it's just so fucking picturesque. And I love the fields as well. I love how the fields aren't kind of perfectly together. They're very lumpy up and down, and they're not very square or straight or anything. They're just kind of there. Let's go have a little peruse around here and see if we can find some more information. And let's take this fucking jacket off. So, Siesta. It's 2:30 and then 3:45. What's the time now? 3:25. Oh, well, I guess we're gonna just have a look around the outside. Oh. It's a tip for when flying a drone in places. I usually go walk around them first, and then just make note of what I could crash into, and also what I want to video, and have a little plan so I'm not just wasting battery. When the fuck did that happen? Gone. I think it was when I was kneeling down over just now, when I was putting my drone away and getting it set up and whatever. Oh well, gonna need a new one of those.
Take off. Points updated.
Honestly, I didn't expect to care this much about salt, but it's actually insane here. The Salt Valleys of Añana is nowhere near the sea. It's quite a bit inland, but salt water comes up naturally from underground springs. For over 7,000 years, people have been using the water to make salt, sending it through these maze of wooden channels and shallow pans, then getting the sun and wind to do the rest. From above it looks unreal, like someone has built a giant white puzzle into the side of the valley. No wonder this is a World Heritage Site. Definitely not what I expected to find in Spain. Off to the next stop. And again, more police hiding in the shade. These motherfuckers. Right, it's coming up to 5, so I think I am going to get changed out of these and try and go for a swim at this waterfall, because that would make today, depends how waterfall-y the waterfall is, but even just getting in a fucking stream and just going will help.
Been proper hot today. Let's sort this out. Ready? Ta-da! And look, got shorts on and the Jesus sandals. Let's fucking go. Please, please let there be fucking water to swim in. So there was lots of graffiti there, which usually means somewhere's good. And it's the more stickers and graffiti it's got, the better. It's a bit far down, isn't it? Fucking hell. Don't think we're going for a swim, lads. Sad. Oh well. I'm gonna chill here for a bit though. I need to decompress. But I think we may just go to the beach. Why don't we just go to the beach? Let's go to the beach. That's what it should look like. And there's no water going down the can't. You would never know that there's a massive canyon here. Why is there no water? First proper disappointment of the day. There's only ever been fuck ups. We'll see. But let's get out of here and let's get to the beach. Now I gotta go get all this gear back on.
Made it back into Bilbao, and as I rode past this viewpoint, I had to stop and look.
What a day this has been. Like, it still hasn't really hit me that I'm doing this trip and I've got another 3 months of this. Today was completely improv. Expected to be in the homestay working, so now I've got today and tomorrow to do whatever I want, which it makes sense if I really try and push, do as much, see as much as possible. Found a place. It's only 7 minutes away and it's only 15 quid for the night, and it includes breakfast and they got parking. Oh! Fucking winning. Let's put my shit together and get out of here. Sup? Okay. Free food, what we got? Got some sushi rice and some pink Himalayan salt to start. Can't find anyone. Fuck is everyone then? No, there's not a dinger. Oh, are you the hostel man?
Yes, sir.
Here's my humble abode for the night, and there is all my shit. Food time. I am so fucking hungry. Oh, but at least they got a kitchen here as well, and I'm thinking fried rice. There was some free rice here, so I may have that, but I don't think it's enough. But either way, I'm going to make a lot of food. I'm going to take it for lunch tomorrow as well. I really want to get some drone footage of this clock tower as well. That's beautiful. What a sunset. Vámonos!
Vámonos, señor. Okay, next stop, Valladolid.
By the way, this is Jorge.
Hey,
You might have a video.
Let's go in.
He's offered to come to the shop with me. Well, show me where the shop is, because I'm a lost, hungry puppy. I've not actually eaten any Spanish food yet. No, I've not eaten anything Spanish. All the fruit came from England, and I brought it here.
You have to try that.
So here we go.
This is the best, one of the best. Now, it's a little bit expensive compared with England. For you, maybe it's cheap.
No, we'll see, mate. We'll see. I'm on a budget, so we've got some tofu. That's the base.
Brazil.
Chickpeas. Boom. 0.7 euros. All the vegetables you pick, and then you weigh them, and then you stick a sticker on it. Like, we don't have that. It's interesting. A lot of places are like that, actually. I think the UK is like, we just make things simple, don't we? We like it simple. Simple people. Go on, you choose. You've recommended me this one. Pet shopping complete. Guide. 5 stars. 13 quid, 13 euros total. Alright, mine only came to 13 euros, bruv. 13, look, feel how heavy that bag is for 13 euros. That's not bad, is it?
Good, no?
That's not bad. That'll be my dinner and then lunch. And then whatever I end up stealing from the breakfast as well, I'll take that. Oh my god, look at this dog. This is so cute. Right, let's cook. For those who don't know me, I bloody love olives. I fucking love olives. Do you want some?
love?
Nice. Right, food was, I'll give it 9 out of 10. Done my washing, made my bed, had a shower, brushed my teeth. That's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna leave you there in the night. I've literally just come back and there's stuff missing from my bike. My knee this morning has left the chat. Isn't that right, Eggy? So it's called the Atalaya.
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 La. Ya.
Yeah.
Atalaya.
You Spanish speak so fast.